Brace yourself. Timber titans are on the move. These monstrous machines don't just get the job done, they crush it. From ripping through massive trees to taming brutal terrain, it's pure mechanical dominance. Welcome to Veteran Tech, where raw engineering collides with the wild. If you're ready to have your jaw hit the floor, feast your eyes on this. What you're about to see is next level insane. It looked dangerous, but the tree cutter used safety measures. And this right here is why you hire a pro. One slip could have ended badly, but thankfully, he walked away. Close call, serious lesson. Something about this feels off, like a disaster waiting to happen. I can't shake the feeling that trouble's just around the corner. Looks like he just learned the hard way why you always keep your work zone and escape path clear. One close call he'll never forget. Taking down a 600-year-old tree isn't your average Tuesday, it takes serious expertise. But in Japan, it's more than just a technical task, there's a deep cultural bond with nature, a respect for trees as living beings. So when a tree like this comes down, it's not just precision and power, it's reverence in motion. A powerful blend of skill and soul. This tree was a ticking time bomb, dead limbs tangled in surrounding branches, ready to drop like hammers. The moment it started to lean, we had to run. One falling limb could knock you flat. That's why hard hats aren't optional, they're lifesavers. Cutting maple root ball back into the ground and 8-foot log. Now this is what you call a real challenge. We're looking at a magnificent maple, and that massive root ball speaks volumes about its age and strength. But cutting a root system this size isn't just brute force. It takes precision, experience, and a deep respect for the tree. Watch closely as they skillfully and carefully return this majestic giant to the earth. It's more than a cut, it's a ceremony. I definitely wouldn't hire this guy to cut down a tree unless you're aiming for chaos. One look at his technique, and it's clear. This is a disaster waiting to happen. We can plan, calculate, and try to control the fall, but in the end the tree always has the final say. Out here, nature doesn't take orders, it decides. No matter how careful you are, trees have a way of throwing curveballs, and when they do, it's not just trouble, it's a direct hit to your wallet. Nature doesn't play fair. When the cowboys tap out, it's time to call in the real pros, the ones who get the job done, no matter what. The outcome wasn't perfect, but the job got done and no one got hurt. In a high-risk mission like this, that alone counts as a... Take a look at this beast. the Steel MS500i. It's the world's first chainsaw with electronic fuel injection, delivering more power and better fuel efficiency. Pretty impressive, right? This 5.0 kegel monster is built to tackle anything in its path. Picture dropping a giant cedar like it's nothing. With this saw, it's not work, it's a breeze. Transporting timber across rugged mountain terrain is no easy feat, and this Volvo 31320 is about to prove its worth. Backing up to rescue a stuck truck, it faces steep slopes and unstable ground, where every move could mean disaster. But with expert control and a touch of luck, the Volvo powers through. It's a high-stakes rescue that shows one thing: even in the most dangerous moments, triumph is just one bold move away. In today's rapidly evolving renewable energy landscape, the NHS 450F stands out as a true game-changer. With its high-capacity precision cutting and consistent chip output, it's the perfect tool for boosting biomass fuel production. A study from the University of Copenhagen backs its effectiveness, proving that by integrating the NHS 450F, you're not just improving efficiency, you're stepping boldly into a more sustainable future. The TigerCat 85.5E Feller Buncher is built for power and precision. With a fuel-efficient engine, boom tech, and Skyview camera systems, it's tough, smart, and safe. Its 570 head features independent knife arms, a 340 Brody rotating wrist, and a rugged build for non-stop performance, all controlled by the intuitive TigerCat D7 system. This is next-level forestry. Let's talk about the Woodland Mills WG24 PTO stump grinder. With a 24-inch flywheel and 3/4 rugged teeth, it chews through stumps of any size with ease. This beast grinds up to 6 inches below ground, wiping out tripping hazards and preventing regrowth. It's the perfect match for tractors with 15 to 45 horsepower, powerful, precise, and built to clear the way. The truck, clearly overloaded beyond its maximum payload, began to violently sway, its movements erratic, its stability on the brink. A concerned bystander urged an immediate reduction in weight to prevent what looked like an impending disaster. One wrong bump, and this could have ended in catastrophe. Amazing woodworking factory. Extreme woodcutting sawmill machines, cheesy wood giant 1,000-year-old. This 1,000-year-old cedar giant is a breathtaking sight, majestic yet heartbreaking. The saws cut with stunning precision, but watching such ancient beauty fall is a quiet tragedy. A moment that stirs both awe and sorrow. The Albach Diamant 2000 redefines heavy-duty wood chipping. Its advanced cutting system delivers consistent chip sizes from 15 to 60 millimeters for a wide range of applications. With true all-wheel drive and independent hydro-mechanical power on each axle, it dominates rough terrain with ease. Built for durability and easy maintenance, it keeps uptime high, and with a raised, comfortable cab offering superior visibility, it boosts both productivity and safety. This is elite-level engineering in action. The Actros 2643 delivers outstanding performance in the toughest conditions, powered by a 6-cylinder inline engine with 100 Nm of torque. It conquers steep inclines with ease. Its integrated powertrain, featuring the Mercedes PowerShift 3 automatic transmission, ensures smooth shifts and top-tier fuel efficiency, even on sharp curves. It's not just a truck, it's a force on wheels. This is no joke. The DF1 ATD forestry mulcher is an absolute land-clearing beast. It chews through anything in its path with brute strength and precision. Durability check, performance check. Versatility you bet. This machine doesn't just work, it dominates. Total game changer. I know what you're thinking, that tree never stood a chance, and you're absolutely right. The CAT 309E is a force of nature. But it's not just raw power, it's precision, control, and the result of years of engineering brilliance. A machine like this doesn't just impress, it commands respect. Check out this legendary Zeal 13-1, a true beast of a machine. Overload it, no problem. Rough terrain, it eats it for breakfast. This truck isn't just tough, it's a survivor. Built to endure, ready for anything. Okay, we've got the CAT 550-500 in the scene, and let's be honest, these machines are absolute beasts. The harvester's leveling is smooth as silk, and the forwarder powers through like a tank. But wait, something's off. Those high stumps, that's lost profit right there. Maybe the operator needs a little coaching, or maybe there's a reason behind the method. Either way, it's time to dig deeper and find out what's really going on. The Gens Amy A-Ton 820 DQ mobile chipper is a powerhouse with cutting-edge design built for maximum efficiency and serious output. Its high-powered engine and smart feed system handle even the toughest materials with ease. This isn't just a chipper, it's a game-changer for any high-demand wood operation. You've witnessed the raw power, pinpoint precision, and jaw-dropping scale. These machines aren't just equipment, they're living legends tearing through the wild. And this is just the beginning. At Veteran Tech, every next build is bigger, bolder, and louder than the last. Don't